About this item: 5-in-1 USB 3.0 Ethernet hub. UGREEN USB 3.0 to Ethernet adapter is equipped with a Gigabit Ethernet port and 3x USB 3.0 ports. While providing your device with a stable wired network, it's possible to expand more accessories, too. It's also equipped with a Type-C power supply port for you to use some high-power devices. Gigabit high-speed network. With the Gigabit Ethernet port, UGREEN USB A to Ethernet adapter can up to 1000 Mbps data transfer speed. It can give a full play to the performance of your network and ensure stable network speed for you to online gaming, surf the internet, online HD video streaming, upload, download, and more. 3x USB 3.0 ports up to 5 Gbps. UGREEN USB 3.0 Gigabit Ethernet hub is designed with 3 high-speed USB 3.0 ports, which can simply help your device to connect more accessories such as a mouse, keyboard, external drive, thumb drive, and more. And the data sync of USB 3.0 can up to 5 Gbps, which is 10x faster than USB 2.0. Widely compatible. UGREEN 5-in-1 USB 3.0 Ethernet hub is compatible with most USB-A devices like MacBook, Mac Mini, Surface, XPS, and more. It's driver-free on Windows 11/10/8.1/8, macOS, and Chrome OS. It requires